Raw data is of no use by itself. Data processing transforms raw data into comprehensible information. It involves gathering, cleaning, sorting, processing, and analyzing data before presenting it in a format easy to comprehend. 6 steps of data processing. The cycle of data processing contains 6 significant steps. 1. Collection. Raw data is collected from various sources. Data can be numbers, user behavior, or even company accounts. 2. Preparation. Data preparation entails cleaning it to remove errors, duplicates, or blanks. 3. The processed data is converted into a format suitable for machine interpretation and entered into the system. 4. Raw information is transformed with the help of algorithms, such as AI or machine learning, to produce meaningful outcomes. 5. Output. The processed information is presented in an organized manner, such as charts, tables, or documents. 6. Storage. Lastly, the data is stored for easy retrieval in the future. Methods for data processing. Batch processing. Data is collected over a set period and processed in bulk afterward. Real-time processing. The data is processed as soon as it is entered, most appropriately used in applications that must respond rapidly, i.e., ATM withdrawals. Online processing. Information is constantly entered into the system and is processed immediately. Multiprocessing. Data processing is carried out by multiple CPUs simultaneously, appropriate for operations such as weather forecasting that involve extensive processing. Time sharing. The computer facilities are shared with numerous users by dividing time into tiny portions so that numerous users are able to use the system simultaneously. Data processing procedures. There are several ways to handle data, including 1. Manual data processing. Human beings do everything manually, without the assistance of tools or machines. 2. Mechanical data processing. Calculators and typewriters are tools facilitating data processing. 3. Electronic data processing. Computer technology processes the data, for example, data processing software. 4. Distributed processing. The information is processed on more than one computer, hence it is quicker and more trustworthy. 5. Automatic data processing. Software executes repetitive tasks automatically, eliminating human mistakes and boosting efficiency. Microsoft Azure Data Factory. Microsoft Azure Data Factory is a cloud service that enables organizations to design, operate, and manage data pipelines. Major benefits of Azure Data Factory are cloud architecture, no equipment or infrastructure on premises. User-friendliness, drag-and-drop interface to create data pipelines. Methods of handling data. Data processing is ubiquitous and pervades most industries and our everyday lives. Some of the examples of data processing in everyday life are given below. 1. Stock trading platforms. These sites have access to current market data and process thousands of transactions every second. 2. E-commerce personalization. Online shops collect and analyze customers' actions, such as visit history and past buys. 3. Ride-hailing apps. Ride-hailing services such as Uber and Lyft process real-time location and traffic data to enhance user experience. Final thoughts. Data processing helps in converting raw data into useful information for customers and businesses. Data processing makes decisions easy and faster. Learning data processing is a smart career choice in the IT industry. iCertGlobal offers great courses that can help you learn these skills easily.